Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into AliExpress using a PC or a laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC or laptop such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Within the search bar, type aliexpress.com and press enter to open the official website. Once the AliExpress homepage loads, move your cursor to the account or sign in option given at the top right corner of the screen. Within it, click on sign in. You will now see multiple options to log in, including the Gmail, email, Facebook, Apple, and Twitter. To log in using email address, enter your registered email address. Once entered, tap continue, where you will be redirected to a page where verification code is needed. The AliExpress will also send a verification code within their email address, so you can just open this email and tap on the inbox where you will see the verification code provided. You can just simply copy the code and paste it on the field. Once entered, it will verify the code, and after verification, you will be successfully redirected to the home page. As you can see, I have successfully signed in with my account, but if you choose any other social login options, click on the platform that you use during the registration and follow the on-screen instruction to continue. And that's it. You are now logged into your AliExpress account on your PC or laptop. You can just start browsing products, tracking orders, as well as do online shopping. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.